Hi, ma'am. Tell me your full name.
Erica Larea Wiz.
Mr. Arguez, you are here today on a couple of different matters. Looks like you have a warrant out of Maricopa County Superior Court for an assault involving a riot going back to August of 2023, criminal damage, and arson of an occupied jail or prison facility. There is a $15,000 bond, cash bond on that particular warrant. You are also here on a charge of aggravated assault on a peace officer. That's from here in Pima County. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have the right to an attorney on this matter. I'm going to appoint the legal defender's office to represent you, and you have counsel seated with you for purposes of the hearing here today. Mr. Coulter won't be your attorney, but he's going to represent you as we discuss conditions of release on these matters. I've had the opportunity to review information provided by pretrial services to the court. I've also had a chance to review information that the state has provided with respect to your conditions of release. Looks like they're asking for a $75,000 bond. Mr. Poston, do you want to be heard further?
Yes, Your Honor. The contact was made. This individual tried to disarm a police officer, grabbed his pistol, but for the fact that it was likely a triple retention holster, this could have ended very, very poorly. This person was very close to a very, very tragic situation. This person poses a risk to the community.
Mr. Coulter?
Your Honor, given the nature of the offense and the fact that there's a warrant, we'll defer to the court on the record.
A bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or secured on this case. So that goes to the aggravated assault charge involving the officer. If you do post that bond on this new case, ma'am, you'll be released to pretrial services. You'll have to stay in contact with that agency. You're not allowed to have any alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons, and you can't have any contact with the victim. Your next hearing in this Pima County case is going to be December 20th at 1:30. That's a preliminary hearing. That court date may or may not occur, but you'll be expected to show up at all future court dates. And if you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Do you understand the consequences for failing to appear?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand the conditions of release I've imposed here today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As to the Maricopa County matter, like I said, there is a $15,000 cash bond amount as to that warrant. I am going to impose that amount here today. Normally what happens is your Pima County cases will be resolved first. If you do end up posting the bond and that's something you want to talk to your attorney about, then you'll have to go up to Maricopa County. As long as you remain in custody on this case, we're going to set a review hearing here for the Maricopa County matter to make sure we don't lose track of it for January 10th at 9 a.m. So if you're still in custody on your Pima County case and you haven't posted the $15,000 bond for your Maricopa case, you'll probably still be here, and we'll see you again on January 10th at 9 a.m. just to get an update to make sure that we know what's happening on that. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are all done for today.
Thank you.